How old is she?
9 months, 27, which is
Tomorrow. March 26, 1988. Oh, and is Amber anxious to eat. What's your name, pretty lady?
Mommy.
Anything special about you?
I'm pregnant.
You are?
4 months.
Let's see your tummy.
4 months today.
All right, 4 months today.
Yay, Amber. Now watch you make a face. Mmm.
Stuff looks good. What you eating?
Apple, blueberry on one side and cereal on the other. Mmm.
Oh, what she got in her ears?
She got her ears pierced yesterday.
She did.
Yeah, she's a pretty girl now. For sure it was.
Amber, can you say something for the camera? Can you go da-da? How about mamba?
Amber, say da 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 da.
That's close enough, huh?
Yeah.
Well, how about if we see you guys when you're done eating?
Okay, with the Cheerios?
Sure.
Okay.
Almost done there, wife?
Yeah, she's messy, see?
Oh, that looks good.
Hi, Messy Fairy. Amber. Amber. Go. Amber. Amber, go. Amber.
You're so pretty, aren't you, Amber?
Amber. No, you're gonna get a blueberry. You're gonna get a blueberry chair there. One more. One more.
What you got on your nose, Amber? Oh boy, all kinds of. What are those?
Cheerios.
All right. You're goofy, aren't you? Amber, you got any teeth? Oh, I see 2 of them there on the bottom. How many you got on top?
She's got 4 on top and 2 in the bottom.
All right. Get off of there, Mom. Quit picking on me. Oh, look at those yummy Cheerios.
Go. No, we can see you there. Go ahead. To the camera. Go ahead, Amber. Go. Come on.
Say da da da.
Da 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 da. There, she's getting a look in her eye. Amber. Amber, who's this? Who's this?
Oh, who is that? Boy, they look awful similar.
That's a picture of Mommy when she was a little girl. That's what it looks like, Amber.
Amber wants to
The
eat it.
pointy chin and the eyes.
Amber wants to eat it. Wait a minute now. Let's see it compared to you. Now.
That's enough.
Oh, there it is.